Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will be making foil cards using our Cricut Joy. These are super easy to make and great for those last minute cards that you need and you still want them to look special. Whether it's a birthday card, thank you, or just a little pick-me-up note, these cards look amazing and only take minutes, but it looks like you spent a lot more time on them. So without further ado, let's get crafting. For this video, you will need the Cricut insert cards, foil transfer sheet, the foil tool for Cricut Joy, and the card mat for Cricut Joy, and of course, the Cricut Joy itself. Like every Cricut project, we will be starting in Cricut Design Space. Now, I've already got my card design ready, so I'm gonna head over to My Projects to open it up. Once it's loaded, let's click on the design and go up to Operations. Let's change the basic cut to foil. Then we'll go over and hit Make, and let's pick Pre-Folded Card Mat. And then let's change the material size to the size of the card you will be using and hit Continue. Base material, we will select Insert Card, and now we're ready to set up our Cricut Joy to start foiling. Now I'm swapping out the Cricut Joy blade for the foiling pin. Just open up the clamp, remove the blade, and pop in the foil tool and close it up. It's that simple. It's time to get our card set up. I'm using the Cricut Joy card mat, which has a pocket to slide the inside of the card under. This keeps the front in place while we foil. Once the card is loaded, I place the foil sheets shiny side up over the design area. Then I use the tape strips that come with the foil pack to secure all four sides nice and tight. This helps keeps the foil smooth so we get a crisp, clean line when we're running it through the Cricut Joy. Now, time to watch the Cricut Joy do its magic. Time for the best part, peeling back the foil. Carefully remove the tape strips and the foil to reveal the gorgeous shiny design underneath. You'll want to be careful when placing the tape. Make sure it's on the foil and the mat and not on the foil and the card. Otherwise, it can rip the cardstock like this. Before we wrap up, I have to show you my favorite bonus feature. Did you know your Cricut Joy can even write inside the cards for you? Let's check it out. For the writing, we'll flip the card inside out so the Cricut Joy can write on the inside of the card. I'm using the same mat, but this time sliding the front of the card under the pocket so the inside stays on top. That way, the pen can write exactly where you want your message to go. Now let's head to Design Space and we'll first make a guide for the size of our card. Select the shape that best fits your card, then change the dimensions to match your card size. Next, let's go up to Operations and choose Guide. You'll see that the outline turns pink. That's just our template, so we know where to exactly place our text. Now over to the left-hand side, let's click Text. I like to filter for just the writing fonts so I know what they'll look like when the Joy draws them. Pick a font you like, type your message, and then go back up to operations and change it from cut to pin so that Joy knows to write it instead. From here, position your text exactly where you want it to be written on the card, and when you're happy with it, just click Mate. Here, choose On Card Mat, and then I'm moving the text to the center of the card where I want it. And again, for base material, let's select Insert Card cardstock. It's time to swap out the foil tool for the Cricut Joy pen. Just open the clamp, remove the foil tool, and pop in the pin. You'll want to press the pin in until you hear a click. Then close the clamp. Once the writing is done, carefully remove the card from the mat using a Cricut spatula. This helps lift it without bending or ripping the cardstock. And here's the finished card. Beautiful foiling on the front and a perfectly written message on the inside. All done with the Cricut Joy. And that's it. Super quick and easy and absolutely gorgeous. I hope this video inspired you to give foil cards a try with your Cricut Joy. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cricut projects. Until next time, stay crafty.